my God. Who needs alcohol when you can do that? Whew. It is officially day 9 of the 60-day declutter challenge. I hope you've been working on your space because I have been busy finding all of these fun things in the garage. Now remember, this is what I showed you last time. This is the before. This was everything that's just been thrown in here, all my tools, supplies. Well, guess what? It doesn't look like that anymore. When I left you in the last video, there was nothing on the bench. I took everything down from the pegboard, and this is what it looks like now. So this area is 90% done. I still want to redo the bench. I want to repaint that. And I realized that I could probably add a little bit more shelving so that I've got more space for tools and materials. Now, here's the thing. Every day I've been giving 1 hour to this project. Today I had to give 2 hours because whenever you're moving things into your driveway, you need time in order to clean that out and then move things back. You can't leave things sitting out when the timer goes off. So things like these chairs, I had to take extra time to make a decision. Do I want to keep them? Do I want to redonate them back to the thrift store? Those are only $7 each. So those I'm going to actually probably keep. But I had to figure out, okay, where is all of this stuff going to go? I've got these big tools that take up a lot of space, a big snow blower. We barely get any snow here in Maryland, but I still need to have it just in case. And also these chairs, I had to make a decision today about these chairs. Am I going to keep them or am I going to give them away or donate them? And I tried to give them away. Nobody wanted them, so I might just redo them. So I don't know. And then I can always donate them back to Habitat. With everything cleared out, I was able to do the leaf blower, get all the dust out. This floor needs another coat of paint. If you've been following my blog for some time, you know that I painted this probably about 6 or 7 years ago, maybe 5 years. But it's got some stains, it's got some wear and tear. My husband, my son, they're always dragging the lawnmower in and out, and so you can see it's gotten scratched up. However, a coat of paint isn't going to be very expensive, and it's not going to take a long time. Once I can clear this entire area, I can do one side and then move everything over. So if you remember, this is kind of what it looked like before I started. There was just a lot of piled up junk. There was cobwebs, and now I've got everything out on this side, and I can move forward with starting to declutter everything that's on the shelf. So I'm going to challenge you. What room are you going to work on? Are you going to do your garage? Are you going to do your craft room, your kitchen? Join me because I will keep updating you, and I want to hear down in the comments how your challenge is going. I'll see you next video.